Once again, good morning. Who all join, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number in the chat room. I'm starting the demo. There are two demo classes. First demo, 20 minutes I explain introduction part yesterday, and 40 minutes I explain how many types of data available, types of IT applications available, types of BA applications available, and MS BI versus Power BI versus Azure BI, and what is Microsoft Fabric. This was the content I explained for 40 minutes yesterday. And second demo, I'm planning for recap of yesterday's session for 10 minutes only. Later, I continue with practical and Power BI components. In my way, in a creative way, I will explain you all this part. First demo, second demo. This was the material I shared with you, and drive access also provided. First demo. Here I mentioned the documents and video. The course checklist also available here. You can verify. Very detailed checklist. And this only I will follow during the classes. And even you will come to know how many topics completed, how many topics pending, etc. I will come to this again. Don't worry. And second demo video you will find here. Second demo, self-service BA example. And in this area, you find all the documents. Now let me give a recap. So my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. And you can call me in these timings. And I'm working as a senior lead consultant. And training type is basics to advanced. And duration 50 to 60 hours. And daily training 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours for practice. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. Monthly 2 Saturdays you are having classes. Training offline available, online available. And my training objective, the people who want to work in the real time, providing real time subject, close to real time subject. Interview suitable knowledge providing. Certification coverage, 70 to 80%. PL 300 examination certification knowledge covered. 100% not possible from any training. You must read some manuals because the training's objective is majorly for interview and real-time working, not for certification. So certification content is always different from training content. In worst situation, in case you want to generate your own reports. Yes, nowadays many companies for senior resources asking Do you have any analytical tool knowledge or reporting tool knowledge? That time, this is helpful. My objective is very crystal clear and for all these purposes. Any graduate can learn. It's a low code application. No need to write any code. And you can use Power BI, technical side, as a report developer, BA development side, as, that is technical side. And you can use Power BI as a data analyst, technical and functional, business analyst, technical and functional. And as a data scientist also you can use. So your friend may ask you, you're learning Power BI, it is just a tool, not a tool. Multiple places we use. You must explain them. What are the areas we can use it? So this I covered. And then I explained last class. When you try for a job or when you work in the company, environmental related stuff you need to know. This is your project environment. And you need to know about projects and case studies. Two near real-time projects and multiple case studies. And database and SQL knowledge is mandatory. 3 to 4 hours I'm covering. And I have shown you yesterday many opportunities with the SQL combination. I showed yesterday. 3 to 4 hours SQL knowledge I'm giving, but that is not sufficient for interviews. Learn whole course. Even we do offer a good course and prioritize 9 topics. And tabular cube, 2 hours I'm covering. Job trials, resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews, this all we provide. Because my objective is preparing well for interviews to work happily in the real time. And Power BI subject, cloud I cover, cloud components, on-premises I cover, on-premises components. Followed by Power Platform components, Power Apps, Power Automate, 2 hours I'm covering. So this is a subject I decided to give you for 2 months. And this is pretty enough for your job trials and work in the companies. Institute provide theory practical material, daily live class video. Training is complete practical only training and resume preparation sessions also conducted. And you will be having good interaction with me during the classes and after the classes. WhatsApp group also created. And thank you so much. Yesterday, many people call me. More than 10 people call me for their career guidance, suggestions, and for multiple reasons. I really appreciate if you'd call me today as well for your doubts. Without getting clarity, please don't start up. And we'll discuss FAQs on and off. We will inform you for opportunities also. We tied up with many companies and we will inform you the opportunities once we receive. Sir, I want to try purely a technical developer role below 5 years. Then these are the opportunities available. Power BI plus DAX. This is Power BI subject and SQL. Power BI subject plus SQL. You can try as a Power BI support resource. You can try as a Power BI admin resource. You can try Power BI plus MSBI. You can try Power BI plus Tableau or ClickView. And Power BI plus this combination. Power BI plus Synapse plus Databricks. and more 95% opportunities in the market. Power BI plus SQL. My course good enough because I'm covering admin part 90%. And with this knowledge, you can try as a support resource as well. And this is for the people who want to try with combinations, especially more experience, above 5 years you are keeping. That time these combinations will save you above 5 years. Sir, I'm totally having 10 years experience or 15 years experience. I want to keep in Power BI 5 years above. Is it possible? Not possible. At least 1 or 2 projects, end-to-end knowledge is required. Then only you can try. And these are highly remunerated positions in the market. Remunerated positions. Power BI modeler, designer, specialist, architect. Actually, I show you 7 plus, 8 plus, 12 plus experience in Power BI. These are all. So don't underestimate. It is having wonderful market and with different types of experiences, including freshers. Including freshers. So this is what I explained yesterday. Also, I covered data to Microsoft Fabric hierarchy. How many types of data available, storages available, formats available, IT application types, and important applications which you need to remember. What is BA application? How many types of BA available? What is Power BI? Relationship with Power Platform and Fabric. These all I covered yesterday, and the people who joined today, I'll be sharing yesterday's video. Kindly go through. And coming to reminding people, I believe you all received video and document of yesterday. Online people, could you please confirm? Anyone joined yesterday and not received video and document? In case your email ID is proper, definitely you will get. Through
Yeah, I have
WhatsApp
not
also we
received.
shared email and documents. Sorry, through WhatsApp also video and documents we shared. In case you want to talk to me, I'm providing my contact number. This is my contact number. And this is your folder, remember? In this folder, you will get access. First demo, second demo, both available, you can look into. And this is a checklist. What I'm going to cover next 2 months. All topics available, I will follow this. Your batch is 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. One by one. First 2 days, what we are going to discuss. Next. If it is done, I will mention yes. And this is high level, low level. For example, extracting data. How many types of sources we use? Power query concepts. How many topics I'm going to cover in the Power Query? DAX sessions, what I'm going to cover. This is a checklist. 8 o'clock batch, demo 1, demo 2, checklist. మీకు వచ్చిందా
Sorry to interrupt you,
యాక్సెస్?
Vinay.
రైట్. యాక్సెస్ మేడం మీకు వచ్చిందా మీకు యాక్సెస్? నిన్నే పంపించారు మా వాళ్ళు యాక్సెస్. డ్రైవ్ యాక్సెస్ అందులో క్లియర్గా ఉంటాయి, చూడాలి మీరు అందరూ కూడా. మీకు వచ్చాయని మీ ఇద్దరికి? యూ బోత్ గాట్? ఈవెన్ వాట్సాప్లో కూడా పంపించారు వీడియో డాక్యుమెంట్, మీరు చూసుంటారు. అండ్ ఆన్లైన్ పీపుల్, రమేష్, అమర్, అమిత్,
Hi,
అనూప్.
Vinay. I haven't received it.
Pardon?
I haven't received the link.
Did you share your email ID yesterday?
Yes, I have shared my email ID and mobile number also. Actually, I have swapped from a 7 a.m. batch to this batch.
No, no, yesterday you placed your email ID or not?
Yes, yesterday I placed it.
Then you'll be having, what's your email ID?
Emma.rameshmisala.
Yeah, it's available. Maybe you did not verify thoroughly. Please verify, sir.
Okay.
You got drive access. How about others?
Yeah, we have received. I have received, sir. My name is Anup. I have received.
Very good, very good.
Hi,
So
sir.
today
My name is
also
Naveen.
you'll get, pardon?
My name is Naveen, sir. I have received.
Very good. Thank you so much, Praveen. So kindly provide your email ID, mobile number in the chat room to receive both the demo videos and documents. Jaidev, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number in the chat room to to receive demo video, demo document. In case you want to discuss with me about your personal profile, yes, call me on the given numbers. Thank you. Let me start my second demo today. And before that, if you want to ask any questions, you can ask related to demo part. Now, conclusion of Power BI, and then we start demo, second demo. 2013 Power BI released. 2019 onwards, Power BI part of Microsoft platform. 2023 onwards, part of Fabric. Power BI part of it. Now Power BI part of Fabric. Then what is Fabric? What is platform? I clearly explained yesterday. And what is BI? What is Power BI? Basic questions. What is BI? Abbreviation, business intelligence. Clearly explained yesterday. And full-fledged definition, it is a process of converting normal data into decision-making data. What is the input? Data. What is the output? Report or dashboard. From any BI application, you will get report or dashboard. What is Power BI then? Definition 1. Adding more power to existing BI. Definition 2. It is a low-code self-service BA application available in cloud and on-premise to generate reports and dashboards. It's a low-code application, self-service application, cloud available, on-premises available, reports and dashboards generated application. So using Power BI, you develop reports and dashboards. And announced in 2013 July. And every month we have update. So no versions in Power BI. Worth remembering, no versions in Power BI. Every month we are having update. Any questions from the screen? Madam, any questions? Right. Right, sir. Coming to reports. There are two types of reports Power BI will generate. Remember, first one, non-paginated report. Since 2013 available. Data is not divided into pages. Second one, paginated report. Data is divided into pages. This is given in 2017. So we are entering into Power BI subject, kindly focus. How many types of reporting available? Two types, paginated, non-paginated. Non-paginated indicate data is not divided into pages. Paginated indicate data divided into pages. Let me start from the same point. Definitely good subject I will give you today. Kindly focus. Very good subject. See, this is non-paginated. If you select 17, 17 data everywhere, 18, 18 data everywhere, or if you click on this respective data, it will show. Yep. 17, if you select 17 data, 18, 18 data. If you click on it, respective data, Here data not divided into pages. This is called advanced reporting or non-paginated reporting. Power BI support this. We have multiple visuals. Data is not divided into multiple pages. Advanced reporting tool Power BI desktop is suitable to do it. Second, paginated report like this. Data is divided into multiple pages. Each page is printable. Look at this. First page, 10 records. Next page, 10 records. Next page, 10 records. That is paginated reporting. We can say old style of reporting, legacy reporting, traditional reporting, all same. This is modern. This is traditional reporting. Now, you have a table with 200 records, each page having 20 records. 10 pages needed. Then we go for paginated reporting. And we use tools like Report Builder, Power BI, or SSRS. Sir, is it really required to learn? 100% required to learn paginated reporting. So what if I don't learn? You're not eligible for the opportunities. So YouTube learning and couple of online portals learning, some basic trainers learning does not suit you to work in the companies. Let me show you job opportunities. The very first point, you need to have knowledge. It is a very popular portal in India, job portal. And I'm typing here Power BI, comma, paginated. Now many companies are asking. See, Power BI admin role. I told you we have an admin opportunity. You can try as an admin. 90% you can satisfy. And my knowledge, my course knowledge is sufficient for this. So 2 years also available. 2 to 5 years also available. Let me click on it. 3 to 6 years. Power BI admin required. 5+ experience in Power BI administration. 5+ in Power BI itself. Power BI service administration gateway. Please look at couple of words. Power BI service administration gateway. Multiple systems. Power BI modeling reports. Paginated reports. Are you able to see? And this is a pure opportunity with Power BI and SQL only, no other available. Some important words you have seen. Next one. 13 to 16 years BA architect. Not Power BI, BA architect. Business intelligence architect. BA solutions, but they are expecting depth experience with Microsoft Power BI stack. There is something called Power BI premium version. And I used yesterday some terminology like data warehouse. I used it. OLAP, ETL. This was the terminology in the demo one I used it. See the same terminology you are having here. Even I used one word SSIS. If you recollect yesterday. Where is paginated here? Anywhere paginated available? Pardon, sir? Yeah. Mandatory experience in paginated reports in Power BI. And we recently added Copilot also for our Power BI content. AI Copilot. So sufficient, many opportunities with paginated report. So this is the proper learning. Power BI reporting, non-paginated, paginated. Now the next topic. So reporting types, you are clear. Then what are the tools available in Power BI? Or what are the components available in Power BI? Along with the concepts. So don't follow online old videos. Once again, I'm telling you, you will get wrong subject. No use of it. Power BI components according to Microsoft, 8 components. This is the first component, Power BI Desktop. It uses these concepts to generate a report. Tool, purpose, concepts. Once the report is ready, you need to move to cloud. That is Power BI service. You just noticed. In this opportunity, they mention admin opportunity. Power BI service administration gateway configuration. So this is the one. Cloud. The developer report, we will move to cloud. That is called Power BI service. And here storage and management takes place. Customers will never contact this. They will contact cloud and bring the data. But accounts required, cloud account, like pro account, premium account, multiple accounts. And I'll give you the accounts for you. Remember everyone, I will give the accounts for you for your practice. Till 2 years, I will provide you Power BI account for practice. On-premises components. Some companies, no, we don't want cloud management. We want to install everything in our local area and work on it. Then on-premises. Report server desktop. The word report server indicate on-premises. Here report developed. These are the concepts implemented. And then move to report server. From here, and users will work. So this indicate your local storage. Which storage? Local. 4 components. 5th component, report builder. This is a component for paginated reports. 6th component, Power BI embedding. Your reports are ready, not in cloud, not in server. Customer required in the Facebook level, Twitter X level, their website level, their SharePoint server level, blog level, then embedding topic is helpful. Next, Power BI developer. You want to generate your own visuals, Power BI developer is helpful. I don't like Microsoft visuals. I want to develop my own visuals. Then go to Power BI developers. Last one, gateway. Gateway basically establish communication between on-premises and cloud. So this is your Hyderabad report, Hyderabad data. I want to move to US cloud. Compulsory in between one intermediate required, that is gateway. It is the responsibility of administrator, but as a developer, you need to ensure gateway working well or not. So these are the different responsibilities. Power BI desktop, service, server, so different components. Report server desktop, paginated report builder, embedding, gateway developer. In our current class, I will explain about Power BI desktop to develop a report and implement these concepts. Next 40 minutes, I will do this. Questions, please, before I go to next. Pardon? So paginated report. They clearly asked Power BI paginated report, Power BI desktop. Look at this, everyone. This desktop practice all I'm going to give you now. BA paginated reports. Power BI desktop. Next up, this is the one, guys. This is a tool I'm going to explain now, the measure tool, non-page needed reporting tool, which will take data like this, any data, and develop a report like this. And this is my family expenses data, everyone see. In the lockdown period, I typed couple of records, 100 or 200 records. Lockdown time, date, amount, reason, location, area. So in every day, how much money I spent for which reason I mentioned here. This is my day-to-day transaction data. So we call it as a OLTP data. Technically OLTP, layman terminology, general transactions. Now I want to analyze it. This is analytical data. 19 year August, how much money I spent, average money, maximum money, minimum money. 20 July, I want to see. In 20 July, my top spendings, food, travel, entertainment, and bottom spendings. In 20 July, what are the locations I traveled, how much percentage of money I spent. And 20 July or August, what are the locations I traveled, locations display. This kind of report I want to generate. And these are called visuals. What do we call it? Visuals. So this I will develop today. Very simple report, and you guys can practice. And in this session, don't test my knowledge in technical depth. Demo level, if I show technical depth, nobody can understand. But if you want to verify my technical depth, go to my YouTube channel, our institute channel. There are a couple of videos available. Look into. But training is fully practical on the training from tomorrow. Training is practical on the training. Once again, I'm telling, very depth of practicals. But demo level, I cannot show the depth because you don't know anything. Right, Power BI desktop. This data to be converted to this. This is called transactional data, and this is called analytical data. And try to understand how I'm progressing the topic, how easily I'm explaining, how I'm giving clarity on every topic, every subject. That is the most important one. So this component will convert the OLTP to OLAP, a day-to-day transaction data to analytical data. But how? This will implement these concepts. So this data, this component will take, shape it, establish relationships, security added, finally visuals presented like this. And the information is called BI data. Since data retrieval onwards, everything you're doing in a single area, so we call it as self-service BI. What do you call it? Self-service BI. Clear? Then how do we install Power BI desktop? Desktop. This is a place where we perform operations graphically. Daily we use this terminology. If you're a computer science student, 100% use it. Windows desktop, Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop, Tableau graphical operations area, Power BI graphical operations area, Windows graphical operations area. Next, Power BI desktop. See, Power BI having, this desktop having 3 words. Power, adding additional features. BI, takes data, generate reports and dashboards. Desktop, multiple operations area. All of you okay? Now, what it does. Input to desktop. Data. The data may be anywhere, any storage, any format. Output from this desktop is document. And coming to this, requirements. OS Windows 10 or above is good. 8.1 supported, but latest 8.1 with all patches. Otherwise, go to Windows 10 or above, better experience. And RAM minimum 2 GB, but 4 GB is good. Processor speed minimum 1.5 GHz, 2 GHz is recommended. These are the minimal requirements. You don't need a great configuration for Power BI. Basic OS, basic RAM, basic processor. But ensure you are having good resolution machine to enjoy the Power BI visuals. If you want to watch a full VFX movie, we prefer a good theater. Good theater. The same way, if you want to enjoy the Power BI look and feel, the visuals, ensure your system resolution is good. And landscape. Decide what type of report you want to create, landscape or mobile view. Accordingly, you place your system. Font size. Power BI font will come up with very small size. Increase the font while working on. And the most important one, type of system. Based on your operating system, you need to download the software and install. If your operating system is 32-bit, download 32-bit software and install. If your operating system is 64-bit, download 64 and install. Sir, how do we verify 64 or 32-bit? This is the search area, you know very well. Click on this, sysinfo, system information, everything you will find. Your operating system name, my OS, my processor, and my system type 64-bit. My RAM also available 16 GB RAM, etc. And this is the system type 64 based PC. So I must download 64-bit software. Understood? Good. Any questions in this area from anyone? Online, offline people? Online people who just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number to receive 2 demo videos and documents. Also, talk to me on this number if you need career guidance, suggestions, doubts, concerns, queries. Right. I mentioned here, this document I already shared, don't worry. Now, desktop. There are 2 types of desktop, cloud desktop and on-premises desktop. Now, cloud desktop, how many ways we can install the software? Go to Power BI service, which I told you. From there, download and use it. Next one, go to Google it with email ID, download it. That is Microsoft Store download. Otherwise, go for basic download. Basic download. In the real time, this is the download recommended for you. Go to Power BI Cloud, app.powerbi.com, download it. But demo perspective, I cannot give you the account and all. So you go to normal download, this without any account. Okay. Please see, guys. I am going to Google Chrome. I'm just typing google.com, very basic method. Power BI desktop download, you type it. Download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official. Click on this. Always read the definition given by Microsoft. Here details available. System requirements available. Installation instructions available. Click download. And here 64-bit. Here 64-bit software available. Here 32-bit software available. Select 64-bit. Because my system type is 64-bit, download. Don't ask anyone regarding the software downloading. Google it and download. For the last 8 years, I'm doing the same. Because Microsoft placing the recent description, recent requirement, installation process. I'm following the same and you too follow the same. Don't ask anyone regarding the software download installation. Even Microsoft recommending it. You click download. Now it will be downloaded like this. I already downloaded. I'm not downloading. Once it is done,
Sir, I have
click
a
on it.
question.
Next, finish. But during installation, two things it will ask you. Drive to install, C drive or D drive. One more, I accept license terms and condition. Apart from that, nothing is required, and the maximum time 2 to 3 minutes to install it. Okay. Right. Now ask your question, please.
Sir, is it okay to install the Power BI from the Microsoft Store as an application?
That is only recommended.
Sorry?
Microsoft Store download only recommended.
Okay.
This is just for your practice purpose, I'm telling. Because to download from the
Okay.
store, you require account.
Yes.
That's the reason I'm not explaining today, but tomorrow I will explain you how to download through account and which download is recommended.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Right, sir. Once you install it, it will show an icon on the desktop, my Windows desktop. Just click on this. So this is the first screen it will open. Home available. Home. Blank report. Or you want to bring data from OneLake. You want to bring data from Excel, SQL Server. From where you want to bring, you can select it. Or else directly blank report. You want to build from scratch. This is to open existing report. And this is to sign out the account in case already signed in. I already signed in with an account. I'll give you tomorrow in the regular class. Don't worry. You want to sign out, sign out. Options and settings here. For example, I am not comfortable with English language. I want Tamil. I want Telugu. I want Hindi language content possible. And I'm a data science resource. I want to use Python and R more and more in the Power BI if possible, but do the setting here first. So this is a very important one. And who installed the desktop? Who connected to desktop? At what time connected you want to see, then go to about. So this is the first screen. I straight away go to home and blank report. Home blank report. So this is the main screen. Everyone look at this. And people call it as colorblind friendly interface. Self-service BA interface. Because here, if you have data, you can extract, you can transform, you can model, you can secure, you can visualize, finally BA data. So with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fixed process. You want to construct a house, you require foundation, pillar, roof, sidewall, systematically. The same way to construct a report, any number of reports, same process. Today you may feel panic. What are this? But tomorrow onwards you feel bored because daily this same process for all the reports. You create at least 20, 30 reports during the class. And after the class, many reports. So you feel very comfortable after 1 or 2 days. Don't worry. But where are the navigations? This is the first area. Second area for transformation. Third area, nearby navigations. Fourth area, fifth area. 5 nearby navigations. This is the beauty of Power BI. The reason behind Power BI success is nearby navigations, everything we can do in a single area. Okay, before I go to that, let me explain something additional. This is saving. Quick save. Undo, redo. On top, I'm explaining the black bar. Title of the application, usually untitled. You want to search any content, search. This is the account of Power BI. Minimizing, maximizing, closing. First one is clear. So quick save, undo, redo, title, search, account, minimizing, maximizing, closing. These are called menu tabs. And this is a home ribbon. So home menu and options available. We call it as home ribbon. These are the 3 views available. And this is the report view. And we have visuals plus data. And this is data view. If you want to see the data, some people say table view. This is a model view. And we also call it as relationship view. Table to table relationship. And this is recently given DAX query view. DAX query view. You can write query and you can see the information. And whatever you are able to see in the middle, this is called as canvas, report canvas. Here only the visuals we take, data we take. And this is called pane manager. Multiple panes available. This is build pane. We can also call visualization pane. This is filter pane. Filter options available. Build pane, filter pane. And this is format pane. If you want to format background, foreground, etc., this is helpful. Multiple panes. Don't feel panic. One report sufficient because we are going to use all. First day, first time, if you listen to it, feel complex, but practice today's example, you feel comfortable. You will ask me, sir, more depth require, more depth require. And this is the place where we create multiple pages. Click plus, create one more page. Click plus, one more page. And your reports you want in the web sortable, desktop sortable, then go to this. You want reports mobile sortable only, go to this. So these are the different options. And one more option available in the down, storage mode. What type of information this is holding? Data. Import mode, direct query mode, connect live mode, like this multiple modes, it will show. That I will explain tomorrow, don't worry. Now today, I brief the screen, whatever we have. And we need to perform operations on our data. First one, extraction, transformation, modeling, security, visualization. These 5 operations I want to do now. 5 in the sense, not all 5. What are applicable, I will do it. But 1 and 5 compulsory. Remember everyone, 1 and 5 compulsory. This is mandatory. Bringing visualization mandatory. 2, 3, 4 optional. Not compulsory. BI process 5 steps. 1 and 5 compulsory, 2, 3, 4 optional. Online people, offline people, stay tuned till 9:10 or 9:15. I will close it sharply. Regular classes from tomorrow, 8 to 9 a.m. sharp. My request, go through the material, or if you have time, practice today's example. I'll give you the navigations. Feel comfortable, then continue from tomorrow. Right. Where is the data, sir? I will go to the data. I just copied in my demo screens, data. This data file also I will give you for your practice. Day-wise data available. Excel file. Shall I bring? Sir, you teach only Excel file or any other? I take very depth and many sources. This is our checklist. Extract data. From all these sources, you see the data in the regular class. Now I will go. What is the first step? Bringing. Click on it. Which data? Excel. Click Excel. Where is it? In my demo screens folder. This is the file. Shall I click open? It is showing one worksheet. Select it. Click load. See guys, I did not do anything. I just clicked on it, browsed it. This is expanded automatically. This is called data area, dataset area. And whatever you have is called table or query. Whatever this table or query having is called field or column. So data set having one query or table with set of columns. So can I see this? I told you if you want to see, go to the left hand side view. Whatever you want to view, table view. It is showing here. Is it looking good? Yeah, looking okay, but no proper shape. Shape is not there. Why, sir? Column by column, if you have, that is shape. Column by column, if you have shape, but no proper shape. I want to delete this. I want to make data as header. See this. Delete this. Data as header. Then only column by column. But if you want to analyze area separate, location separate, you must split the data. So one more, 3. So to make this data suitable for analysis, 3 changes required. What are the changes? What are the changes? Delete this, take this as heading, and then split the data. Shall I do? Then where do we need to go? First area extraction, second area transformation. See, nothing you're able to see. So it is better to go to report view. From here, you click on this transform data. System will open a separate window in this time. Only one window, extra window, that too transformation time. Explore bigger. Now, this is a corner. Here you have options. Let me click on it. What I want to do, I want to delete this first row. Later I can make it header. So click on it, remove top row. I will mention 1. Okay, number of rows to remove, 1. First row remove. I want to make this as column heading. Then click on this, use first row as header. Next, I want to split this data based on hyphens. Right click here, split column by delimiter. Here 1 hyphen available, 2 hyphens. 2 hyphens. Click OK. 2 splits. Sir, can you show me again by deleting? Guys, in the right hand side, all the steps added. Now cancel it. Once again, I'm doing it. I want to delete this record. Click on this corner, top rows, 1. Okay. I want to make this heading. Click on it. Use first row as header. I want to split the data. Right click, split column by delimiter, 2 hyphens. Okay. And mention here column area. Mention here location. Once change is done, just go to home area. Please see this home area, close and apply. Close means simply closing without saving changes. Apply means save the changes. Close and apply, save the changes and close. I want save the changes and close. The window is closed. See, it is appearing properly. Even if you go to table view level, you're able to see proper. I brought the data, but our situation demanding shaping, so I went to 2. And what is the next step? Modeling. Go to modeling area. These are 3. Only one table. One table, no relationships. At least 2 available relationship. Even human relationship, you 2 are available, so we can relate. Only 1 available, no relationship. Security, 4th one. It's too early topic. It takes some time, but we will discuss the regular class in detail. Last one, visualization, 5th one. Compulsory topic. What type of visualization needed? I'm minimizing this. This is a visualization. I will close it. I will open our demo information. I want to generate all this. This is called card visual. These visuals are card. Card will hold one value only. These are slicer visuals. Manual filters. And this is a bar chart, stacked bar. This is a pie chart. And this is a map visual. Sir, how do we come to know? This is a demo session, hardly 20 minutes I'm giving. You cannot get complete Power BI subject. I'll explain only card visual for half an hour. This visual for half an hour. That time you'll get it. Why? What we take, everything I'll explain in the regular class. Just demo and consider as a demo only. Right. First, you need visual. Go to build area. This is the one. Here visuals available. Card you want, take a card. And remember, 3-step process, every visual working. First, select the visual. Second, take the data. Third, apply the formation. Power BI, any visual, routine process. Visual data format. Visual data format. I will take the visual. I need data. I told you data here. Click on this. Single value. Total amount required. Just select amount. You selected amount, but system taking automatically sum. Don't do anything. Formatting needed. How to do formation? There is something called format. Size and style. The size and style, I will take border. First border, I'm taking common property here. Title, yes, I want title. And I will mention here total spend. Heading 3, bold, text color blue color, background color yellow color, center. Title. Size title. Call out value. This is called call out value, and this is called category label. I don't want category label. This label I don't want. Down label, turn off. Call out value I want. I will go here. Here I will take none. None means value format. Size 30. Or if you want million format, 1000 format, trillion format, whatever the format you need, you can go for it. I just selected none, no format, and I will take a color, blue color, bold. Ready? This is a total value, total spent. Now, average spent required. Click card visual, please see. Add data, second one. Amount you take. Again sum, but I need average. Click on this drop down. So this arrow mark, right arrow, already summarization sum available, change to average. Average. But whatever the format I applied here, the same thing required, the color background and all. Go to home, highlight this, home, click on this format painter, click on it. Same format it has taken, but title only wrong. So go to title level you mentioned, average spent. Format only copied, not content. Now maximum spending I want. Click on card, field, amount. Here I will take maximum. What to do next? Highlight anyone, format painter, select it. What to do the change? Max, title level, max spent. Now take card, value amount, minimum required. So arrow mark in place of sum, minimum. Now click on this, format painter, click. Min spent. Okay. Now this is total spending, guys. I want year wise, month wise. Then take a slicer. It's a slicer. Please see this slicer. First visual you take. Second value you take. Date table year. Third format you take. Format. I don't want title for this. Is a slicer setting how you want to show. This is called between operation. You want to give like this, or you want to give like a list, you want to give like a button. How do you want to give? Select here. Header means this is header. How do you want to format? Value means these are values you format. Slider means this is slider you need to operate. But I will go to slicer settings. Just listen, don't write. Not between, list. I selected list. Slicer header, this header. Bold, 20 size, pink color. Value, bold, 16, blue color. This is called year. And I will go to size and style, border on. Ready. The same copy paste I want to do. I'm explaining copy paste. Very routine one. Highlight, Control C, Control V. Here month required. So remove the year. First visual. Second data. Remove this. Add data. Date. Month. Visual. Month. It is showing all months, guys, when expand. But only 2 months required. Only 2 months. Then go to beside filter is there. These values you want to filter. Filter on this visual. Yes, this visual filtering. Select it. Mention July and August. Only 2 months. It is filtered. Done. If you select 19 total average min and max. 19 August total min and max. Press Control and select 220. Press Control and select 19 and 20 August values. This is how the slicing will happen. The manual filtering will happen. I explained about card visual. I explained about slicer. I explained about filter. But I need not only values, I need comparisons. For which reason I spent more money, like food, travel, petrol, which reason less money. Then go to stacked bar. Stacked bar. Y-axis. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. I want y-axis level reason. So click on this reason. X-axis level amount. X-axis amount. So reason wise amount it will show. Reason wise amount. Sir, appearing very small. Don't worry. If any visual appearing small, click on this focus mode. It will show you bigger. Food and travel, more money. Internet, entertainment, books, petrol, less money. So if you click cursor here, it is showing something that is called tooltip. Tooltip. Food value. Travel value. Petrol value. So top spending, bottom spending. Click next. And I want to take a border, format, size and style, visual border on. Next, I want to find out location-wise spending. So this is pie chart. Legend level location. Value level amount. Location-wise amount. If you click cursor here, Visakhapatnam location 40% money I spent. Vijayawada location 50% money I spent. And Siddipet 2% money I spent. Now go to format, size and style, visual border on. Just take the visual, these two you mentioned. But I really want to see what are the locations I traveled. Then click on map visual. It's a mapping visual. Location level, you take location. Take a map visual, location. If you explore bigger, it will show you. Actually, these are the locations I traveled. But I want to see where I spent more money. Come down, bubble size. In the bubble size level, amount you spent. This indicate more money spent here, medium money spent here, less money spent here. Click cursor, it will show you. Vijayawada spending, Visakhapatnam spending, and Hyderabad spending. Go back. I will go to format area, size and style, border on. Now if you select 20, 20 spending, 20 locations, 20 location spending, 20 top, 20 values. July, 20 July locations, values, everything changing. If you click on 19, 19. And not only this, the beauty is if you click Visakhapatnam here, Visakhapatnam values. This is called cross filtering, cross highlighting. What do you call it? Cross. These are manual filters. These are cross filtering, highlighting. Many topics I covered today. Single value show, manual filter, hidden filter, cross filtering, mapping visual, pie chart, bar chart. So we can create reports like this. But instead of calling report, we call it as a document. File menu, save, see PBIX, document. Word documents with .docx. Excel documents with XLSX. Power BI documents with PBIX. So it's a document, not a report. Don't consider as a report. It's a document. What do you call it? I'm saving under some folder. More. I will create a folder here. Browse for this device. Batches. New folder. 8 a.m. November 2024. Here. Vinay Tech. Second demo report. PBIX. Click see. I'm done. And if you go to the batches folder, this is the batches, ATM number, and this is a report, and we call it as a document. But how do we share this to customer? That's the next job. Not possible to share this customer because it is having extraction part, reporting area, modeling, security, all. Customer don't require all this. He just require only this area. How do you move? Then compulsory cloud or server required. What is required? So I'm going, guys. I'll go to cloud. This is Power BI Cloud. Hardly 2 minutes, I will close it. This is Power BI Cloud, app.powerbi.com. And we need a folder to place. That is called workspace. Workspace is a folder. Amulya workspace I'm using. Our students' workspace. Upload item. The report you upload. Browse. 8 a.m. Batches. 8 a.m. November. Mention the report. Open. The report uploading. But see how is it uploading? So report upload to cloud in 3 parts. I did not do anything. I just uploaded this document. Please look at this, everyone. I uploaded only document, but cloud level system dividing into 3 parts. First one, report area, data area, dashboard area. And if you want to deal with data, go to semantic model. If you want to deal with report, I'm clicking on the report, cloud level. This is our cloud report ready. So this we will share to customer. So customer will browse it. How, sir? On top, there is something called share. Mention share. This is immediate sharing, on-demand sharing, on-the-fly sharing. Click on it. Mention the email ID. I'm mentioning Vinay Tech. Multiple email IDs share. So the respective user will receive an email with the link. But I want every day morning 5 o'clock sharing. There is something called subscribe to report. Click on it. This is the one. Create a subscription. Customer require only mobile level QR code scanning. Possible. File menu, generate QR code. You can generate a QR code for your report. He can scan and see. Download and share. And customer is very aged. He's not crazy about QR code scanning and all. Then you can export in the required PowerPoint format or PDF format and share. Some people asking, Babu, it's a open to public report and no need to share like this. Keep in the company website level, blog level. Then go to file menu, embedded report, website or portal. Just forward this link to the respective developers. They will place the link so that report will be displayed. These are the ways available to share the report. So till you move to cloud, not possible. And this cloud, I will explain you for 10 days. I'll give you the accounts for practice also. These kind of accounts for practice. Without this, your subject, your learning is partial only. Okay. And Power BI administrator, you have seen one opportunity. They will work only here. They will not work on this. This is operated by only developers. We work on it. Report development. And today I planned for this. Desktop. How is it helpful to create a report like this from this? Easy or complex? Very easy. Am I right? Do this. And guys, whatever I planned for the demo successfully completed. 2 demo parts. 2 demo parts successfully completed with the required content. And from tomorrow, regular classes, and the batch is at 8 o'clock. 8 to 9 a.m. sharp. This is my contact number. You can call me in the given timings. Very detailed course for 60 hours so that you can face interviews. You can work in the real time. You will get good knowledge to appear for certification. Worst situation, you can generate your own reports if you want to utilize the course. Any graduate eligible, a low code component. And the Power BI, not only for technical side, non-technical side, business side, many places helpful. These are all the areas. So what you get, irrespective of your attendance, you will get the video, you will get WhatsApp messages, and you will get materials, everything. I cover 2 projects for your knowledge with multiple case studies. And Power BI plus SQL sufficient if you want to try as a developer. Or you want to try as an analyst, something additional you need to add. who want to try as a data analyst, business analyst, call me. I'll give you proper guidance. I cannot conclude all here. But Power BI helpful in all these areas. But along with Power BI, what to learn, I will tell you. Offline, online available. You can join. That's all for today, guys. I believe I have given proper content. Power BI components, Power BI reporting types, paginated, non-paginated, how to generate a non-paginated report. You learn today about non-paginated report development. I'll give you the practice file and all. This is your second demo document area. Here I given practice file, demo content, and practice example document. Use this and practice today, guys. I'm done. And if you have any questions, take your mic and ask online people, offline people, stay tuned and ask your questions.